This is Mr. Martin. These are video notes for Pre-Calculus Advanced. We're in the Identities unit. This is example 5 of the packet. So in some of the other examples I gave you some instructions on how to simplify it, but in this one we don't have any instructions, so it just says to simplify. And we've got cosine squared x times cosecant x minus cosecant x. And there's a couple of different ways you could go about doing this, but the first thing that I notice is that these two terms here have a cosecant x in common. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to factor that out. So I get cosecant x times cosine squared x minus 1. Alright, and this kind of looks like my Pythagorean identity, so let's write out my Pythagorean identity on the side here. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. And I want to see if I can rearrange this somehow to match what I have in the problem. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to move this sine over to the other side and the 1 over to this side. So I'm going to subtract sine squared x from both sides. So subtract sine squared x, subtract sine squared x. So I get cosine squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. Then I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So I get cosine squared x minus 1 is equal to minus sine squared x. Alright, so now I see that this, which I have in my problem, is equal to that, and I can replace them. So I end up with cosecant x times minus sine squared x, and I know that cosecant is 1 over sine x. Okay, another one of our techniques, change things in terms of sine and cosine, times minus sine squared x over 1. So this is going to cancel with one of those, and I am simply left with minus sine x. Alright, and again, if you want to rewrite this on separate paper and give it a go on your own, that would be a great idea. If you have questions, make sure you ask me, and we'll see you in example 6.